What's up, guys? Back in our video here. Today we have this Maytag Neptune front loader. I got this from the trash. Got this from the trash a few days ago, maybe 3-4 days ago, something like that. 3-4 days ago. So yeah, I got this a few days ago, 3-4 days ago. I got this Maytag Neptune front loader, and I tell you, I think I know why they got rid of it. Because this thing has some issues, because I'll say that. And it has something to do with this control panel. So yeah, you get your little dispenser right there, detergent, bleach, and fabric softener. You can tell it's a front loader. So yeah, let's go ahead and get my little tripod thing here. Okay, we'll power this thing on. Oh yeah, by the way, it's on this thing right here, so all I have to do is just flip the switch. Okay, let's power it on. Yeah. Okay, why are you beeping? Stop beeping! Yeah, just a little warning headphone users, so. Yeah, okay, so. You can tell this panel is messed up. It's just having some errors. It's not supposed to be doing this beeping. I'm pressing off, but nothing happens. Sometimes it'll work. Sometimes it'll work. But sometimes it won't. You can see, it was right here, but it's right here now. Oh, yo, you see it did it again. But if I press back, you see, when I press it again, it's not responding every time. See, let's see if I can get to start though. Okay, I got that. Sometimes it takes multiple times to get to start. You can see it's just beeping for no reason. So this control panel is probably bad. I'll have to say the control panel is bad, unless there's a stuck button, which I checked to see if there's a stuck button anywhere. There doesn't seem to be a stuck button anywhere, so yeah, and it's just doing this for no reason. Yeah, it's pretty annoying. Oh, see, look, it just did that by itself. There we go. Will it start? See, look, it won't even start. It went off spin again. Will it start? See, it won't even start. I got to start a few times. But not many. I don't know how long it's going to do that for. But yeah, shut up! See, it doesn't even want to work now. See, it'll work and then it won't work. Can I just get it to start? Exactly. Okay, it'll work. So it's not even working now. Okay, I got the spin light on. Can I just get it to start, please? air. Shut up. It's definitely the control panel. Okay, I got... Bruh. Yeah. This panel is definitely having some issues. So... beeping for... because it's definitely having some errors. Okay, if I just turn it off... and turn it on again... is this what happens? Oh yeah, the cord is cut off of it. Make it shut up. The cord was cut off because some idiot cut the cord off of it. So I had to put a cord on it. Turn it back on. This is what happens. Maytag Neptune. So put the model number. Model number MAH5500BWW. That's the model. Yeah. I think this thing has a bad control panel to the main load. Turn that crap off. Alright, so yeah, I just want to give you a I just want to get you guys, I just want to do a video on what I got. So anyways, that's pretty much the end of this video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more. And yeah, I don't know if this machine will be worth fixing or not, because I know control panels are very expensive for this thing. But I could probably go on eBay and find, hopefully I can find one, the same one like this on eBay for $100 or less, hopefully. So anyways, that's the end of this video. That's the end of this video on this Maytag Neptune. It's having issues, so I'm pretty sure this is why they got rid of it. So anyways, that's the end of this video right here. I do like this Maytag logo though. I definitely like that. That's actually kind of cool looking. But yeah, you can see what's happening with this thing. You can definitely see it. Control panel is not responding. It's just beeping constantly. But yeah, I got to start a few times. Maybe like, yeah, probably about 2 to 3 times I got to start. But it just took a lot of effort, just like repeatedly pressing the button. But yeah, anyways, this thing, it's got control panel issues. Yeah, and it's raining outside today, so if you hear the noise, that's why. But anyways, that's the end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Until next time, guys, we'll see you next time. Peace out.